at bush meat all the way from China. I mean,
Hi guys, my mom just arrived from the village and I want us to unbox all the village goodies together. Yeah. So on our way from the park, I branched and got us some chicken and cheese. That's the welcome package for her. And guys, it's time to unpackage the goodies she brought from the village. Keep watching, guys, to see all the goodies, the bush meat, and all
bush meat, alligator, guys. Wow, it's warm. Look at bush meat all the way from China. I mean, China importation coach. No be small thing, no. This one a grass cutter.
Wow. Very expensive grass cutter.
No be small.
That's what I'll be saying.
My mom brought you see the head. I love eating the head of grass cutter. I'm going to devour this one like. See locust beans, so iru. Quick,
Note, we'll be speaking our local dialect of Sosa language in this video.
See snail all the way from Osas. Hey, this woman bought. My mom bought pepper. She brought pepper from Ososo, from the village, for me. Thank you. 500 naira for this plenty pepper. Can you imagine? This one is like, it's like 2,000 naira here. Yeah, it's like 2,000 naira here. Snail. What was this? What is this? Ah, okay. Sweet potato. You gonna get agbo? Honey. Original honey. Now you make am black like this.
This one no black. This one.
Original honey. Wow. Thank you, ma.
Honestly, she didn't know that we are going to the UK yet. So I'm going to be surprising her tomorrow with the good news, and I can't wait, guys. I can't wait to see her reaction.
Okay. Dried bitter leaf is inside here. This one is dried bitter leaf. Wow. Hey, see egusi, very fine. Wow. Unlike the one they sell here. Wow. White and fine. Thank you, ma. Egusi original.
Plantain.
The unboxing continues. Plantain. Banana is already ripe. Getting ripe.
More banana.
More bananas. Plenty.
Extra plantain.
Ooh, red oil. Dogu red oil. 10 liters. Oh, good. Tell the mom, it's heavy. Red oil there. Doka nut. They say Ogbono is called Doka nut. Anne, let me hold it. Don't pour it away. Oh, see this plantain. Oh, it's big. 1 kg.
1 kg, 1,000 naira.
Wow, ẹ̀gbọ́n. Wọ́n abẹ́ kí ṣe.
Hey.
This ogbono is plenty. Ẹ ṣé ma, God bless you. God bless you for us. God preserve you.
Mommy, see a little this thing that we have.
Plenty ogbono that my mom brought for me.
Mommy, see a little this thing that we have.
This is much. Plantain is plenty, and it's long, big, fat. Is it still remaining?
No.
Yam. Hey, weleke. Come to school and you are going to make for us and now. Tabi, you is plantain as if I give it.
No, give me better plantain.
See, yam. Thank you, ma. Hey, weleke. The yam too much now. Hey, weleke. Welcome. How was your journey?
Fine.
I think this is the first time you're visiting us, or the second time you're visiting?
Second time.
Okay, but it's first time you're coming to this our new house.
Yes.
House. So guys, so how are you? How's everything?
Fine. I'm doing good.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much for these things you bought for us. So we are grateful, ma.
I'm measure.
Yeah, don't mention. You are correct. Yeah, she's correct. Give it again.
It's funny.
So, I think the last time we saw each other was 4 years ago, Abby.
Yes.
Is it 4 years or 3 years? Yeah, 2021. That's 3 years.
3 years ago.
Yeah, that's 3 years. So it's been a long time that I saw my mom, and here she is. She doesn't like traveling, so that's why she has not been, coming to visit us.
Thank God.
So how was also now?
I'm doing good though.
Our business. I call her Madam Super Taste. Madam Super Taste is here in my studio. Super Taste is her business name, so that's why I usually call her Madam Super Taste. Let me use the opportunity to thank you for all the things you did for us when we were small, bringing us up, the school fees, everything, especially me. The school fees you paid, house rent, when I was in school, food, all the plenty plantain, bushmeat especially, guys. When I was in school, my mom used to send me plenty bushmeats. Pot go full like this. So, thank you, mom. Thank you so much. Maybe when I or the UK visa and I need UK this week. And I'm going to UK. I did tell you that. We go UK. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.